Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life with Sid. Hey girl, hey. Guys, today we are back and we are back with an unboxing video. Yes guys, I am back with a double unboxing from Van Cleef. One was actually a gift from Van Cleef to me, and then a gift from me to me. Okay, yes. I am completing my Van Cleef set, my Onyx set. So you guys know I have the vintage Alhambra single pendant, and then I have the vintage Alhambra 5 motif in the Onyx. And I just wanted to complete a set from Van Cleef. I am really loving Van Cleef right now. I love the look, how I can dress it up, dressing down. It doesn't matter. It just looks so good. Like, I'm just a Van Cleef girl now. So without further ado, guys, let's just get right into this unboxing. Okay, so little backstory on this gift that I got from Van Cleef. I had this for several months and I unboxed it a little bit, but one day I came home, it was like the end of August. Let me see, the ship date is actually on this package. I know I've seen it somewhere. Yes, ship date August 16th. So this package came and it actually sat at my door for a couple hours. Nobody was home. I came home, I'm like, this looks like a package from Van Cleef. What is this? So nobody was home. I called Babe, like, babe, did you order me something from Van Cleef? He's like, no. So I'm like, yeah, right, okay, whatever. Then I asked my son, he's like, it's not mine, it's addressed to you, Mom. And no, I did not buy you anything. So for a while, I'm like, oh my goodness, what did I get? Because I didn't get any email or anything. And I'm like, I haven't even been on a website. So weeks go by, I just have the package sitting, and I'm like, maybe it was a mistake. I don't know, because I didn't get like an email saying we sent you a gift or anything. So then in September, I decided to open it and just open it up for you guys. So I ripped here, and it came just like in a regular Van Cleef packaging. And I was a little nervous, like, well, did Van Cleef make a mistake and send me somebody else's package? I should have been open this and take it back or send it back. So then I said, you know what? Let me just open it. And I did, and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. So here is the box. So let me just get it out. And here it is. It came in this beautiful Van Cleef box. And then you just, it has a pull tab, like, you know, like sneakers. It's one of those boxes. So then I opened it, and I'm like, what is it? It's a card inside. I did not open the card. I'm going to open it now. And on the front of the card, it just says Van Cleef and Arpels. And it says, happy birthday, Sydney, from Carlos. This is my sales rep that I use over the phone, like when I call the 1-800 number. That is so sweet. I am going to send him an email. I feel so bad because I did not open it right away. And then it came in a bow. And you know, with Van Cleef, they like, it's 2 bows on it. So it's the bow that's connected to the package. Let me just show you guys. It's like connected, I guess, so it doesn't move around so much in the box. Take this off. And guys, it is a candle. Yes, they sent me a candle for my birthday, and it is in the scent rose. And it just comes in this box here with a silver top. This is my first time like opening it, you guys. Like the card and everything. I did not open it. And it comes in a white glass with a silver top. And it is beautiful, and it smells just like roses. Oh my goodness, yes, like a fresh batch of roses. Thank you so much, Carlos. I love my gift. I'm sorry it took me so long to open it, but here it is, and I love it. And my birthday card, that was so sweet. Okay, so now let's get into gift number 2 that I purchased for myself. I actually was going to wait until Christmas, but I said no, I have to open this up right away because I want to make sure that my items is good. And you know, you only have like a 30-day return or something is wrong, and it has happened to me before, not with fine jewelry or anything like that, but like with a pair of boots that I bought from Neiman Marcus. I didn't unbox them right away, and it was over 30 days, and I unboxed them, and they were like, the color on them was a pair of Bottega boots. I'm gonna do a video on that too. It was a pair of Bottega boots, and they were like, the color, the glue was coming off of them, and then I was told that there was nothing they could do about it because it was past the 30 days. So I'm like, no, we're not going to hold off or anything. I'm going to unbox within a week from getting my items. Okay, so this is an online purchase from Van Cleef. You know, you just browse the site and you get lucky, you know. Some things are available, a lot of things are not available. And when they came available, now I knew that I wanted this to complete my onyx set, and I didn't put in a special order or anything. I just went online, it was there, and I'm just like, add to cart, buy, because it's so hard to come by, and I know the holidays is coming and things are not going to be available. So if it's available and you know you really want it, you just have to get it. So this is a full unboxing. Right, so inside the box it is my receipt with my address and everything on it, the item number. Just get it out so I can get me a thumbnail, and of course a return label, but I will not be returning these. And I was told that with Van Cleef, if you purchase online and you want to make a return, you will get a full refund as long as it's within the 30 days. But if you purchase in a boutique and you go to do a return, you only get a store credit. So let's get a thumbnail. Okay, let's get this open. Comes with a box with I don't know what this booklet is. Let's open this up. This might be all my certificates and care cards and everything inside of here. Let's see. Yeah, it is. So it comes with just paperwork, another card just in case this was a gift. You can fill out, they send you like a blank card with a envelope, and then just instructions on how to mail it back. And this is the care booklet inside of here with my certificate in here. Care booklet. So here's the care booklet. It's a care advice and services booklet. Then my certificate. And then it just have all your information. Like the piece, the reference number of the piece that you have, and everything is on the back of here. So, and the date that you purchased. And you keep those numbers private because a lot of counterfeiters will try to take your number and put it with a fake piece. So you want to keep those very private. And then of course it comes with a little shopping bag in case you want to do a thumbnail. And here it is in the box. So let's just get the first bow off to get it out the box. So here it is, this small beautiful box. It's wrapped up so pretty. And I'm going to open it with you guys. Van Cleef. So it comes in another box. It slides right on out. And are you ready? I'm going to look at them first and then I will show them to you guys. Comes with a little pillow on top. And here it is, guys. The vintage Alhambra onyx earrings. I am in love with them. How cute are they? So pretty, so elegant. Like, it's just like level up your outfit. Like I said, you could dress them up or down. Just want to make sure you guys get a good view of these. And I am going to put them on right now to see how much I like them. I was thinking about getting the sweet earrings. I watched a lot of YouTube videos of the earrings and I just felt like my earlobes are kinda on the bigger side. So I'm like, I think either the magic or the vintage would be good. Now, if I want to go for a second pair, then I will do the sweet. I'm gonna just get a mirror out so I can see what I'm doing. And I hope the posts are long enough because, like I said, I have a thick earlobe and sometimes I have to get like extra long posts. No, I think it fits perfect. I love the fact that they don't have a screw back, or this is how the back of them look. And it's like a clip-on earring, but the post goes inside your ear and then you just push this up. I'm trying to see if I can show you guys if you can see that. I love that. It makes it a lot easier. You don't have to worry about if you know, losing the back of your earring. Okay, here they are on. I love them. They look so good. I'm just looking because I have another full body mirror over here and I love them. Yes, I can see me with another hole here and maybe have this sweet next to them. I think they're so cute. And even really look good with my headscarf. You know, y'all know my new thing is the headscarves, and you know, a nice little lip. So what do you guys think of my vintage Alhambra onyx in gold, 18 karat gold earrings? How do they look? Are you loving them? Are you thinking about adding them to your wish list? Let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions or concerns, you can leave those in the comments below as well. And I just want to say thank you for watching. And if you're new here and you made it this far and you're not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, girl. Hit that subscribe button and bell notification so every time I upload a video, you will be notified and become official citizen. Yes, become official citizen. Till next time, sis signing off. Peace. Oh yeah, they give them what they supposed to give. I can't see myself going back to having a long hair and hiding these earrings. They are given. Oh, I'm loving them.